Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to export your Canva presentation in PDF directly. Okay, so assuming I have this presentation that I prepared on Canva and I need to export it in PDF. So all I need to do is to come over to the top right over here, and you can see share, and then you can come down to the so you can see download over here. Then you specify, and this is PDF. If you want other formats, you can go ahead with them, but I usually prefer PDF. This one, which is the suggested one for this tutorial, which is the one you can download everything at a time, or you can download this page, which is page 3, or if you want to download custom page, you can also define the custom page that you want to download from here and select the page or deselect accordingly if you have custom pages, or you can specify the number from here as well. Let's say I'm going to download all, and I'm going to come over here and say download, and now this is going to download my presentation in PDF. So let me click to open it, and you can see I have all of my presentation in PDF. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.